Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you guys can see, I am about to do a wash on my truck here. Sorry, I was distracted. This is a 2003 Ford Excursion. It has 330,000 miles on it. This is pretty much my daily driver, but that's not the whole reason for the video. The reason for the video is, as you guys know from seeing my other videos, my basic wash videos on the C7, I actually use Adam's wheel cleaner on the C7. Works phenomenal, takes all the brake dust off of there. That car stays really clean, it doesn't dust a lot. I also use Adams on my Mercedes CLS 550, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with that car, but or know someone that has it, but it dusts like ridiculously. I can wash the car, drive it for a week, and the wheels are absolutely hammered. I mean, it just dusts. It's a ridiculous amount of dust that you get from that. Now, Adams works great for both of those cars, phenomenal. But it's a pH neutral wheel cleaner, and I've used it for the truck, and it just doesn't have the horsepower to take all of the brake dust off of these wheels. Now, it's not Adam's fault, it's not the chemical fault, it's my fault. These wheels have a lot of brake dust that has been etched into these wheels, and so I wanted to try something to try and get this off. And there's a lot of buzz about the Meguiar's wheel brightener. Now, Meguiar's wheel brightener is an acid-based wheel cleaner. So from what I've seen, I've watched some YouTube videos, I've read some stuff online, and it's supposed to really have the horsepower to take off all of that brake dust. Now, I don't know that it will get the super etched in stuff, but I wanted to try it. So let's just move forward with the video. And what I have is a 36-ounce bottle, spray bottle here. The directions say to dilute it 4-to-1. So that's what I've done. It's about 7.2, maybe a little bit more. It's probably 7.5 ounces of Meguiar's wheel brightener in here. And I fill the rest up with distilled water. So I'm gonna do my standard wash. The way I wash, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the wheels, get the Meguiar sprayed on here, let it sit for the 30 to 45 seconds, and let's see what it does. So now, I don't know why that makes that noise when it stops like that. So as you guys can see, I'm sure you can see in here all of this etched in brake dust. Now, like I said, Adams will take some of that off, but it won't get it all. So I am going to use wheel brightener, spray it on here, and let it sit the 30 to 45 seconds and see what it does. I can already see it is eating some of it away. I'm not going to agitate it right now. I just want to see what it'll do by itself. See what it does by itself. Now, it might take a couple times to get it done, but let's check it out. And like I said, you know, you have to, with these types of things, I'm just trying something different, you know. All the time we have to figure out what works best for us. Like I said, I would not use wheel brightener on the Corvette or on the CLS because it just doesn't need it. You know, like I said, even though that Mercedes dusts like it does, Adam's wheel cleaner takes it right off. And like I said, on the C7, I hardly get anything. So it really cleans that well. But this one, Adams will clean it, but it just won't clean it the way I want it clean. So it's been sitting here dwelling for, actually it's been a minute. So let's go ahead and rinse this off and see what we get. So it's done a pretty good job. I still have some etched, you know, etching in these wheels, but outside of that, it's done a really good job getting the brake dust off. But let's go ahead and spray it again and, you know, agitate it like we would normally do and see what we get. Get in here. That's the problem with these wheels. They have these little corners, and that's where that brake dust likes to sit and accumulate. But actually it's taking it right out. Now the wheels are damaged. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer. There is some damage in these wheels from neglect, you know, on my part. But the wheel brightener seems to be getting most of the stuff out of here. Work it a little bit more. Wow. I didn't think that, sorry about the noise, but that's these plastic caps. Wow. I'm blocking the camera. All right. Wow. I didn't ever think that I would see these wheels get back in this good a shape. Let's go ahead and rinse the product off. Wow, yeah, as you guys can see now, all of that has been removed from these wheels. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. I didn't think that that I would ever see these wheels this bright again. I'm gonna go ahead and treat them again because I missed some stuff in these corners and you know, clean it up a little bit more right there. But man, I'm a believer. Meguiar's wheel brightener, it's taken these 15-year-old wheels with 330,000 miles on them, and it's done a remarkable job getting all that etched in brake dust off. I'll zoom in a little bit and so you guys can see. I mean, all in these corners, it was horrible. Now that's just damage to the wheel. But other than that, I mean, it's remarkable. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed with that product right there. So just wanted to do a quick video, let you guys see, and also let myself see, because I've never used this product before. But like I said, there's a lot of buzz about Meguiar's wheel brightener online, and I wanted to try it for myself. So I see for this truck with these heavily etched rims, that wheels, sorry, that the wheel brightener is definitely the product that I'll be using on this truck. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Tune in. I got some other things that I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little series similar to what I did for the Corvette on this truck, because I love this truck, but it needs a little TLC. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little series on that. So stay tuned for that. And hey, thank you guys for watching. All you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. But yeah, this wheel brightener, yeah, that's the business. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.